The M101 is a robust, heavy-duty manual cold welder which can weld non-ferrous wire and strip up to 5 mm in diameter. It can be mounted on a workbench or supplied with a trolley and is very simple to maintain as it has very few components. Before fitting the die pocket must be thoroughly cleaned to remove any fragments of debris. The die is then placed carefully into the die pocket, and the retaining plates are slid into place and locked down. These dies are precision engineered by PWM's own skilled technicians to produce strong, consistent welds. Once the die is fitted, the die gap is set according to the thickness of the material. The wire or strip is quickly and easily inserted into either side of the machine, and the handle of the machine is depressed 4 or 5 times to complete the weld. It takes only a few seconds to complete the process and remove the flash. And the final weld is reliable, permanent, and stronger than the parent material.